Assalamualaikum and welcome to the next video of algebraic expressions. Yesterday I had given you 3 questions as homework and most of you had doubt in this question of homework. So let me do this problem and I'll continue with some more questions today. So the question was minus x square into x minus 15. We are learning how to multiply a binomial from a monomial. This is the topic that we had started yesterday. So this homework question I will be doing it now. So what to do first? With minus x square I should multiply the first term with monomial, the first term of the bracket. Then there is minus sign. So I write minus. Again with minus x square I should multiply 15. So minus x square into x. Minus x square into x is our first one. Then there is minus sign. Again minus x square into 15. Minus sign as it is x square into x. So I write x. This is the power 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So this will become minus x cube. Minus into minus will be plus. X square into 15 is 15x square. That's all. So if I have a constant value and a variable, I'll always write the constant first, then I'll write the variable. Also sign multiplication is very important. Minus into minus should be taken as plus. So the final answer of this equation will be minus x cube plus 15x square. I hope you have understood this problem. And I'll take one more question. So the question is minus 3p cube into minus 15p cube q square minus q cube. Now let us classify which is monomial and which is binomial first. Minus 3pq is a monomial because it's not separated by plus or minus sign in between. So in beginning we can have any sign, not a problem. But you can classify it as binomial or trinomial only if there's plus or minus sign in between of the variables and constants. If you see this one, this is a binomial because minus 15p cube q square is one term and q cube is second term. So there are two terms in this. This will become a binomial. Minus 3pq is one single term, so it will become a monomial. So how to multiply a monomial by a binomial? Same. Whatever procedure we have learned in yesterday's class, we have to follow the same one. So minus 3pq should be first multiplied by minus 15p cube q square. That is, this minus 3pq should be first multiplied with the first term. Then we write whatever sign we have in between. Here if I have minus, I'll write minus. Here if I have plus, I'll write plus. Again, minus 3pq should be multiplied with q cube. I'll repeat. Whenever we multiply, please remember the rule. Whenever we multiply a binomial from a monomial, we take monomial into first term of the binomial or first term in the bracket. So monomial into first term of the binomial. Then in binomial if there is plus sign in between we'll write plus sign, if there is minus sign we'll write minus sign. Then monomial into second term of the binomial. I'll repeat, monomial into first term of the binomial. Monomial into first term of the binomial. If there is plus or minus we'll write plus or minus. Again monomial into second term of the binomial. Please remember this, it's very important. Now let us now see minus into minus will be plus. Minus into minus is plus. Let us multiply the numbers first. 15 into 3. 3 15s are or 15 3s are 45. P and P. I have P. Let me take the power 1 here. So on this P I have 3. On this P I have 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. On Q I have this is square and this is 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3. There is no need to write plus sign. Not necessary. It is self-understood that the number is a positive one. Next, minus into minus. This bracket represents multiplication as I said yesterday. So minus into minus will be plus. 3pq into q cube. So 3. There is no p here, only a single p. So I write single p. On q, here I have 3, here I have 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. So the final answer will be 45 p to the power of 4 q cube plus 3p into q to the power of 4. These are little complicated problems, but if you know the basic idea, you will be able to do anything. So few things that you should remember is, when you multiply a monomial with monomial, that table homework if you remember, that's very easy. Second is we are learning how to multiply a binomial from a monomial. So what do we do in this kind of problems is we take monomial into first term of the binomial, plus minus whatever it is, then again monomial into second term of the binomial, and then you should remember if it is minus into minus you will take plus. 4 sign multiplications you should remember, otherwise without basics it's little difficult to do, so get your basics very strong. Let us continue with one more question. So 2x divided by 5 into 3a cube minus 3b cube. Okay, so this is the question. Again, 2x by 5 is a monomial, single term. So if you have division and multiplication between, you can't separate them as binomial or trinomial. Binomial and trinomial can be separated only if there is plus or minus sign in between. So this is a monomial. 3a cube minus 3b cube is a binomial. 3a cube is first term, 3b cube is second term. What is the rule? With monomial, multiply the first term of the binomial. That is 2x by 5 into 3a cube, that is the first step. Then there is minus, so I will write minus, again monomial, 2x by 5 into second term, 3b cube. Next, what we have to do, if we have multiplication like this, we have to multiply these two numbers, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, x as it is and a cube as it is. There are two different variables, cannot do anything. Divided by 5 is remaining, so I will get divided by 5, minus, here also 2 3s are 6, x and b cube are remaining, so xb cube divided by 5. Okay, so here I get 2 3s are 6, x as it is, a cube as it is divided by 5. 2 3s are 6, x into b cube is x cube, b cube divided by 5. Now in these cases, whenever we have same denominator here and here, if we have same denominator for both the terms, we can write the denominator only one time as common and write whatever is remaining in the numerator. Here in numerator I have 6x a cube, here I have 6x b cube. Okay, even if you stop here it's okay, not a problem. But if we have the same denominator, we can write the denominator only once and then write whatever is remaining in both the numerators. Okay, so if you want you can also continue with one more step. I'll show it here. So divided by 5 I'll write down. In numerator, in this term if you see I have 6x, in this term also if I see I have 6x. So I can take out 6x as common from both. If I take out 6x common, a cube is remaining, and if I have already taken out 6x common, b cube is remaining. So I can also simplify up to this step. It's your choice, you can stop at this step or this step. But if you learn more simplification, it is better for you to do problems in better manner. So I would ask you to write up to here, but then have some practice on these kind of problems. So this is where we end the topic multiplication of a binomial by a monomial. Please go through these kind of problems; they are very important. And I'll give you 2 questions as homework, just try them. And you can all continue in the same book, even if I've given homework problems. No need to worry if you are mixing up and writing everything. So I have a small question here. 2ab into 3a square b minus 4ab square. This is your homework question. And next I will give minus 3p cube into 7p square cube plus 3pq square. Try both the questions as homework. They are little higher level today, but I hope you will be able to do it. Let me know if there are any doubts. In the next class, we will start how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. Binomial with binomial multiplication. Until then, please be perfect in these topics. Thank you for watching the video.